brothers and sisters, abstain from calling people bad words, because those words will rebound and affect you negatively. Don't call people and your own children with derogatory terms. Don't use derogatory terms to refer to your children. Remember, that is dangerous. We end up building a mindset that is so negative in our children, and we're responsible. How will we achieve hope when we are making others hopeless? Our own children and family members, spouses and whatnot, hopeless because of words we say towards them. You're ugly, you're this, you're this color, you're like this, your hair is like this, you're like that, I don't want to this and that. Why say bad things? Appreciate people. Allah's the maker. He made you, He made them. Appreciate them, compliment them, and Allah will grant you goodness. Allah gives you contentment when you go out of your way to make others feel appreciated the way Allah made them. Make them feel appreciated. Pray for them, and Allah will grant us every form of goodness.